Hello, so today I will be removing and then replacing the pickup roller of Kodak i4650 scanner. So to be able to do that, to get your screwdriver or any metal at all, there is this clip on the right hand side that I am going to push in. Once I push it in, and I'm going to push in the one on the left hand side, and this first plastic will come off. Then I'll be able to get access to the roller. So this is the pickup roller on top. I want to service this roller, clean it up, and then apply grease to it, so to prevent any form of friction. So you can just use your toothbrush, if you have a toothbrush or any other brush that you can get your hands on, and just gently brush out any excess dust. And with my rag or a piece of cloth, I'm going to clean the outer part of this pickup roller. You can see the way I'm cleaning horizontally, because the pickup roller has lines on it that are horizontal, so I'm following the pattern of the line so as to be able to remove all the dirt in it. So this is my oil. I'm going to apply my oil to it right now. I'm going to apply my oil to all this part. You can see I'm going to apply oil to all this part of the pickup roller, and the reason why I'm applying this oil to this part is to promote lubrication and to prevent any form of friction. So it is ready. You can see it spins freely. Then I will apply more oil to it, just to be sure that there is enough oil in there. You can see that the oil I'm using is a liquid oil, and this is your regular oil that you use for compressors and all kinds of equipment too. Is liquid oil, and it's very good. It's not corrosive, which means it's not going to damage the components in any way. So I'm going to apply the oil to the gears also. For the gears, I'll be applying grease, a soft grease to the gears, and I'll apply a bit of oil too, just to be sure that everything there is fine. This is to prevent any form of friction later in the future. I'll apply a bit here too, and a little on this other side too. And remember to like and subscribe. I have a whole lot of videos that shows how to be able to repair, fix, service, and maintain all kinds of scanners and printers and what have you, and all kinds of office equipment. And if you still have any further questions on these particular rollers, or you want to get these rollers, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I'll give you a link to how you'll be able to get these rollers, and then I'll answer your questions also. So I think it's fine right now. I'm going to brush it out a bit and then replace the roller. So the roller is going to go in. Watch the edge that has the gears on it, so that it falls on the other edge that has the gears on it too, because the two gears